two Carnot engines A and B are operated in series. The engine A receives heat from the source at a temperature T1 and rejects the heat to the sink at a temperature T. The second engine B receives the heat at a temperature T and rejects to its sink at a temperature T2. For what value of T the efficiency of the two engines are equal? Okay, here two engines are there, name is A and another engine is B. The temperature received from the A, that is from the heat source, that is with the temperature that is T1, and whatever it rejects the heat, that is the temperature received for the TB inlet temperature of the P here. And whatever the means it rejects the temperature, that is it will go to the heat sink, that is the temperature T2 here. Okay, then we know that efficiency of the engine A, that is eta A, is equal to 1 minus T divided by T1, and the efficiency of the engine B, eta B, is equal to 1 minus T2 divided by T. Where two engines efficiencies are equal, then we can write it as eta A is equal to eta B. Then we can write it as 1 minus T divided by T1 is equal to 1 minus T2 divided by T. Then we can write this one as T divided by T1 is equal to T2 divided by T. By cross multiplying by continuous ratio, we can write this as T square is equal to T1 into T2, or T is equal to under root of T1 into T2. So this we can see in the option C. Option C is under root of T1 and T2. This is our right answer.